back to Cash Group Online Productions. My name is Damien. Thank you for tuning in. This is episode 6, sorry about that, episode 5 of how to make money online. And today I'm going to teach you how to make money a great way. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to make money with Mindswarm.com. Okay? Now, this website right here will pay you $50 to answer 7 questions, or $10 to answer 1 question, and it really works. Alright? So now, first things first, you come to the website, and you can click companies and researchers and enter here, or you can click participants, enter here. So you're going to click participants, enter here. And now you just got to click sign up. Alright? And now I already have an account. So I'm going to go over to my account. Okay? And I have already applied for 2 surveys, which are $50, 7 questions. And you also can refer friends. Now, see how the refer friends are right here? When it says refer? Well, these would be up here. And it would say apply. Alright? Now, I already applied for this one. And I applied for this one. So, and they're 10 questions, and I'm getting paid $50 for those 10 questions. Okay? So now within a day, I will get the link to do the survey. So all you gotta do is sign up, apply, and then wait 1 or 2 days for the link to do the survey, and that is instant money, an instant $50 right into your PayPal account, and that is a pretty sweet deal if you ask me. Alright everybody, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like this video, and leave a comment down below if you like this idea, and also leave a comment down below on other things you would like me to do, you would like me to try out and share with people. Thank you for watching, and also visit my website at cashgrouponline.com. Have a good day, guys.